Hello everyone, welcome to AdiTrade. Today we're going to be seeing the trade analysis for 6th January, the expiry analysis, the first expiry of this year. See, what I've opened here is the one-day chart of Banknifty. See, we got a pretty good run after hitting a low of 34,000 and we have come almost like 3,000 points up. Today we made a high of 37,800. Now just drawing a Fibonacci channel from the recent most high 41,000 to the low on a daily time frame, we are exactly at 50%. So if some kind of a reversal can come, it can come at this 50%, and the next level is 0.16 and then 70%. If we cross 50%, we can be sure that we are again on a kind of a bull run. So kind of expecting a reversal at this point. I'll be showing you even on the 15-minute chart a few levels. So this is something that I just wanted to show on the daily time frame. And if we remove this and just check the levels on the daily time frame, right? Since we broke this today, this was a very good resistance, 37,500. We broke that. Now the next target is coming in only at 38,250, and after that we probably can even go up to 39,200. I'll be showing you the other levels. See, on a 5-minute chart, this is where I have my monthly, daily and the weekly CPR added. See, today I'll be showing you on this chart where I have all the levels marked. Today we kind of like took a stop loss. We kind of got shaken out over here. When this evening star formed, we took a short and exited immediately after this bullish candle came, as there was no follow through. And after that, since one of our stop loss was hit, we kind of like stayed out of the trade. Now, coming for the trade possibility for tomorrow. See, today we came and exactly took resistance here, 37,800. This is also one level that we could easily mark based on the price action over here. Let me just make this chart more clearer. Or I'll just shift to a 1 hour time frame so the levels will be more clear. See, here we had some good resistance. Here, 37,830. Exactly, we came and took resistance today here and stopped. So if we start trading higher than 37,800, right, then the next target would be this point for sure. There could be some selling pressure here, that is 38,200. Because the last time we were here, we got a significant sell-off, right? And if that breaks, then probably we are heading straight away to 39,200 also. Is a possibility in between. See, when we fell so hard. That's why when we are going up also, we are going up equally on a good pace, as the support and resistance are pretty widely stretched out. But if you see the last 1 hour candle, right, there's after so many days of a good bull run of almost 2,500-3,000 points, there's the first bearish candle on an hourly time frame in the last hour. So this is something that we can be careful about. In case we slip, we might take a strong support at 37,500. If that breaks, the 37,500 is here. If this breaks, then we can come down until this level, 37,300, and then probably even 37,100. A retracement is possible. Now, just looking at this chart where I have the daily, monthly and the weekly CPR. See, we are trading above weekly R3. See, these dotted lines are weekly R1, R2, R3, and we are trading about monthly R1. So if this bullishness continues, the next CPR resistance, if not tomorrow, at least by this week or next week, is only coming in at 39,200, which is also daily R3. From past few days, we have been seeing Banknifty crossing R3, right? So if this same thing happens tomorrow, we could probably even hit 39,200. But for that to happen, we need to trade above this previous day high. That is 37,870. In case if we get some scenario where we go up based on a gap up or a gap down, however the market opens, come down, take support at this previous day high, then probably I'll go long. Or if we get a good rejection at R1 or R2, I would still look for a short, because if you just look at the 15-minute price action, right? We have a clear divergence and the oscillator is making a lower low. So some reversal also imminent, but if we start trading with strong candles, then probably I'll sit for long with R2 and even probably R3 as the target. So that's on the downside. Now, sorry, that's on the upside. On the downside, we, as mentioned, we have a good support until 37,500. If that breaks, probably will take support. It's, as mentioned over here, will take support at 37,300 and 37,100. But 37,500 looks difficult to break based on the open interest. So this is the Banknifty open interest. What I've opened. We have a very good resistance at 38,000. We have even call sellers that have been added today. So that for tomorrow, probably 38,000 is a good resistance. And in case we slip, see, there's a call selling that have been added even on the call open interest has been added even on 37,800 and 900. And a very good resistance is at 35,000. So in case we go close to 38,000, right? Probably a dip until 35,000 is possible based on the open interest. That's why I mentioned that if we get a dip, we might get a dip until 35,000. If that breaks, these are much stronger levels, 37,300 and 200. Now, depending on the gap up or gap down, as of now, Nifty is trading flat, 7 points. Not sure if this will change overnight. The US markets are not yet open. There's still time for the US market to open. So depending on the gap up or gap down and change of over in the live trade, we can take a call. But 38,000 breaking looks difficult as of now. But the same thing happened even today. See, even today, probably 37,000 was breaking, was looking difficult or so. But the way the call unwinding happened, this is proper short covering. Like you see, the puts got added and the calls got unwinded. So that's why we had that bullish run. So not sure if the same thing will happen tomorrow. But as of now, 38,000 is looking as good resistance. Now coming to Nifty. See, again, I'm just going to go to the hourly chart in Nifty so that the previous levels are clear. See, we exactly came and took resistance here at about 17,900. And next level is coming in at 18,000. And if that breaks 18,100. Now the trade possibility for Nifty is if we start trading above, I'll just shift to a 15-minute chart. If we start trading above 17,940, right, probably we'll hit 18,000, and anything below we have a good support at 17,820. I'm going to move this line a little bit lower, and even if this breaks, probably a very next good support is at 17,675. Now, just looking at the open interest for Nifty, see, we have significant resistance at 18,000, but there's no any call writing that's been added. So, see, more call unwinding has happened and a small amount of put writing has come in. So, not sure how it will play out in the morning, but a good support is at 17,900 for sure. There's huge put writing that's come in. So in case if we go up, right, probably we'll come and touch 17,900 and then go up, and we'll have to see if 18,000 breaks tomorrow. But as of now, there's a good resistance at 18,000 based on the open interest. And just looking at the CPR. See, today we had a nice retest of the CPR and then bounced until R1. We failed to hit R2, but we hit one significant resistance of 17,940. And if I shift to an hourly chart, we'll see. Again, in Nifty, there was a good bearish candle on the 2 o'clock 1 hour candle, but it was bought into probably in the last half an hour. So that's it for Nifty and Banknifty for tomorrow. Hope everybody have a good trading day tomorrow and a good expiry day. Since it's expiry, the best bet would be to trade deep in the money.